All right, welcome back to another National Real Estate Exam Prep. And today we're going to talk about transfer of title. More specifically, we're going to go over 5 questions with their explanations as to why they are the answer. For a deed to be valid, the grantor must be legally competent. The grantor must be legally competent to sign a deed, but an attorney or notary is not required to witness it. While recording a deed, it is recommended for public notice. It is not required for validity. Only the grantor must sign the deed for it to be valid. The grantee does not need to sign or be legally competent. The primary purpose of a deed is to transfer title rights. Title represents the right of ownership of land, while a deed is the legal document used to transfer title to real property. If a lease allows assignment, a deed is not used for the transfer. Recording a deed provides constructive notice of the property transfer, but it does not prevent adverse possession, which occurs when someone gains ownership by open, continuous, exclusive, actual, and notorious possession, also known as ocean, of another's property without permission. Every deed must be signed by the grantor. Every deed must be executed, signed by the grantor or someone acting under the grantor's authority. And the grantor must have legal capacity to do so. The grantee is not required to sign the deed. A devisee who receives real property under a will is also not required to sign a deed. Normally, a deed will be considered valid even if signed by the attorney in fact of the grantor. An attorney in fact must act under a power of attorney, which grants specific written authority to sign on behalf of another person. For a deed to be valid, the grantor must be a legal entity and must deliver the deed to the grantee. A minor is not legally competent to sign a deed as a grantor. All of these are required for a deed to be valid, except the signature of the grantee. A deed does not require the grantee's signature, but it must be executed, signed by the grantor. Essential elements of a valid deed include legal description of the property and consideration, which is something of value is exchanged. All right, this was 5 questions with their explanations as to why they are the answer. If this was helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe because we drop a new video every week to help you pass your national real estate exam.